Good day, my name is Ian Wepener. I've been on this farm now for 6 generations. We farm here with maize, with cattle, sheep and broiler chickens. My skills is at the feedlot with the cattle. When they come in, I weigh them, I inject them, deworm them, tag them and inject them with hormones. Then they go to the stage 1 and we follow through until stage 4. Stage 4 they're at 450 kilograms and then they go to the abattoir. With the sheep we tag them, we deworm them, inject them, cut their toenails and send them to the fields. With the broiler chickens I get them in from day 1, feed them right through to week 6. At that stage they're 1.9 kilograms and then we send them to the abattoir. I cut and bale and rake hay for the feedlot. And I can work on a smaller tractor, Ford 5000, Ford 4000, Fiat 640. I can also do welding, spray painting, work with grinders, work with metal. Mechanically, I can do basic mechanics on tractors and on vehicles. And it would be a pleasure for me and an honor to work in the USA. Thank you.